Well, I'll just be here lang. Not really. I don't really plan on going anywhere else today. Okay, bye, Mom. Sa kwarto niya?
Opo.
Okay, thank you.
Pasok!
Hi, Mama T.
Hello, anak! Hindi ka ba naiinitan?
No naman.
Magpalit ka ng damit.
Oh, okay. I didn't bring extra clothes.
O sige, wait ka lang. Check ko yung kwarto ng daddy mo, ha?
Okay, thank you.
Oh, eto na. Sana kasya ka. Gusto mo munang kumain?
Um, yeah, I can eat first.
Sige. Jane! Kakain na si Miguel! Jane! Ayan, special recipe ko yan. Tikman mo.
Okay.
Sige.
You're not gonna eat?
No, na anak, kumain na ako kanina kasama ni na Tita Bermo at yung ate mo. Si Ate Rose. Is there anything else you need?
Well, nothing else other than the stuff that I asked what you have. Yung mga
Balikbayan boxes
and
at
grocery bags.
Grocery bags.
Yeah,
correct.
yun lang.
Oo, sige.
I also brought some of my own bags.
O, sige, kain ka na.
Okay.
O ano? Nakita ko yan sa TV. Sabi ko, dapat itry ko yan.
That's new.
Ano?
Oh. This.
Galing sa daddy mo.
How's Dad?
Mabuti naman siya. Ikakasal siya ngayong summer. Nasabi ba niya sa'yo?
Yeah, sinabi naman niya. I just haven't been talking to him recently.
Bakit naman?
I'm just really preoccupied. Mom's annoying me and I'm just trying to balance school. So I just don't have a lot of time.
O siya. Halika na dito ulit. Kumain ka.
Okay.
May lalagyan ka para sa gamit?
No, I don't.
Sige, kukuha ko.
Okay, thank you.
Ito na, anak.
Ah, thank you, Mama T.
May gagawin lang muna ako. Okay ka lang? Mag-isa ka lang dito?
Yeah, okay lang.
Sige, mabilis lang to.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know that. I was just checking. Sorry.
Sige. Okay lang. May hinahanap ka ba?
Yeah, I saw some of my old stuff here.
Okay.
Do you know if Dad had the Spider-Man neck pillow?
Dapat andyan.
Do you know which one I'm talking about?
Yes. It's the neck pillow na binigay sa'yo ng daddy mo.
He did?
Oo.
No, it was Tito Alonzo right before the car crash.
No. Galing sa daddy mo yon. Teka lang. Check ko yung closet. Ito.
Thank you.
Welcome, anak. Oh, bakit?
Ito lang. Siya.